Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So quite a big down day yesterday, and my fear of not wanting to go long was correct. But we'll look on the lower time frame to see if there was actually a short opportunity. I doubt it. But where we are at the moment, if you just scroll left, you can see we are in a zone of what could be support. And this was pretty much driven. I'm just going to take the lower one here. You can see it's a little bit more prominent. You can see that's 50, basically 5,500, big round number. And if we come all the way across, as I said, I'm not sure it was yesterday, day before yesterday, but this was the key level. And do it on the daily, you'll see there is a daily level at 55.26, and then you have this 54.97, 5,500 key area, and just below that is a really solid zone of support, and that is at 54.50. So this was driven by tech stocks yesterday. I just want to check the weekly as well. We could be forming a double top of sorts, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see on the weekly. We're only halfway through the week at the moment. So we did have some negative economic data come through, and we also had tech stock being hammered. Nvidia was hit both 10% fall. So yeah, I think we've got some more volatility for the rest of this week. Drilling down through the time frames, yeah, don't think it's a signal of a massive fall at the moment. This is basically, if you do that, basically a megaphone forming. It is a consolidation. It's still a big consolidation zone. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. We need to come back up, reject a zone up, higher up, before we start thinking of long-term shorts. So when we get down to the hour, and you can see how yesterday's price action was, there was actually a half-hearted attempt around here, but we'll have a look at that on the 15-minute. There wasn't a warning. There wasn't a signal saying, listen, this is we're heading down to the downside at the moment. I just want to put that zone in as well, and then we can have a look on the 15-minute. But yeah, you can see how we dropped. Didn't even reject that. The only thing that's clear is the moving averages. We crossed below the moving average in the 15-minute range, so we could argue that a break of that range, stop above there, would have been a 200-point stop loss, and you could have really been sitting pretty with 1,000 points at the moment. So hindsight's always a perfect science, but that wasn't my plan for the day yesterday. I would have had to reject this area before I got in. Anyway, what we are looking for today is more of the same, but I don't think I want it from down here. And if you look at this on the hour, the structure is higher up. So I would only be interested in continuing short off a rejection of 55.82 or 55.48. We are at quite a big level, so I'd be very cautious of trying to continue this. The only other option that you would have today is if something similar as yesterday happens. So in other words, you see we've come down, we range. Remember, we've got diagonal support here and horizontal support, and that horizontal support is a weekly level and a big round number at 5,500. So you're going to be looking for some sort of a consolidation break up, retest for any longs, but you're going to be capped by the levels I've just given you. And alternatively, you're going to be looking for a break for current low today, come back and reject this area at 5,500. And that would give you the opportunity for a short down to 54.50 area. Be cautious though. One day of this, which is just based on PMI data, and then the tech stock just got hammered. So there's no real reason for it. It's just as data comes through, the volatility comes through the market. So it swings high, and we also have a bit of a gap higher up on the hour. So I'd be cautious of continue to chase shorts here. But I'm not ruling them out, but just wait for structure. So if you get the range, if you want a range of about 20 bars on the 15-minute, then you're looking for a breakup or a breakdown, which is going to indicate which direction you're going to go. And you will be capped by the levels that I've given you. So yeah, if you've got time to sit and watch the charts today, you'd probably make some money by just paying attention to the structure and when the structure breaks. Hope it helps somewhat. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.